Today I'm going to show you how to complete the time word problems. This video is for the mild problems, so if you are thinking about doing that challenge, then this video should be helpful for you. I'm going to use one of your questions as an example in this video, which will mean that you have one less question to answer. And I'm going to look at number 2. So for number 2, it reads, I go to a party at 4 o'clock. The party lasts 2 hours. What time does it end? So we're going to first of all look at what we know. So we know that the party starts at 4 o'clock. And that it lasts for 2 hours. Now, one of the ways that helped me solve these kind of problems is to use an empty number line. So in your jotter, I would draw a nice number line for you to use. Now you will obviously use a ruler, so it'll be much more neater than mine. So our start time for the party is 4 o'clock. That's meant to be here, not there. And the party lasted for 2 hours. So for me, the easiest jump to take is to jump 1 hour at a time. So if we're starting at 4 o'clock and we jump 1 hour, then we land at 5 o'clock. So the party was 2 hours. We've calculated how long 1 hour takes. We still need to find out 1 more hour until the party is over. So I'm now at 5 o'clock. I need to jump 1 more hour to find out what time the party finishes. So 1 hour after 5 o'clock is 6 o'clock. Now make sure you have done the correct numbers of jumps by checking on the top, does this add up to 2 hours? So 1 hour add 1 hour is 2 hours, so we've done the right amount of jumps. Started at 4 o'clock, jumped 1 hour, then another hour, and we've landed at 6 o'clock. So my answer for number 2 will be something like, the party ends at 6 o'clock. Now for question number 1, you're going to do the exact same thing. However, this time, the person's swimming lesson starts at 5 o'clock and they swim for 1 hour. So at the start of your number line, you're going to have your 5 o'clock and you're going to jump 1 hour. If you prefer, you can jump in half an hour or you can jump in 10 minutes. But for these types of questions just now, I would probably just stick to 1 hour because it's just like adding 1. Hopefully this will help you work through the rest of your problems. You should be meeting with your teacher at some point during the week, so if you've got any difficulties, you can ask them then, or as always, you can post on your teams if you need some help. Good luck.